Hello, Bears. Miss Lauren is back, and we are ready to go over our letters and our letter sounds today. Now, we learned about our letter U already, and we remember that U said utensils, like our fork, knife, and spoon. Unicorn, like the unicorn party we had in class. And of course, this big pink umbrella reminds us to remember U is There are other sounds it makes, but we'll start with all right? And of course, our silly superhero, Captain Underwear, wears his uniform under his underwear. He's our hero for the week. Now, we're going to read Animalia. And Bears, you'll recognize this from Circle Time. It's a really beautiful book with amazing pictures, but it also helps us hear the way letters sound as we read the book. When I finish, I will tell you what the letter sounds like, and then you'll repeat it, and you'll say it too, so that you can remember. Ready? A. An armored armadillo avoiding an angry alligator. A says ah. A says what? Ah. B. Beautiful blue butterflies basking by a babbling brook. B says buh. What does B say? Buh. C. Crafty crimson cats casually catching crusty crayfish. C says cuh. What does C say? Cuh. D. Diabolical dragons daintily devouring delicious delicacies. D says duh. What does D say? Duh. E. 8 enormous elephants expertly eating Easter eggs. What does E say? Eh. You try. Eh. Over here is F. 4 fat frogs fishing for a frightened fish. F says F. What does F say? F. G. Great green gorillas growing grapes in a gorgeous glass greenhouse. G says G. What does G say? G. Yes, sometimes it says J. H. Horrible hairy hogs hurrying homeward on heavily harnessed horses. H says huh. You should feel the air on your hand. What does it say? Letter I. Ingenious iguanas improvising an intricate impromptu on impossibly impractical instruments. I says I. I. What does I say? I. Letter J. Jovial jackals juggling jugs of jelly in the jungle. J says J. What does J say? J. Over here we have K. Kid Kookaburra and Kelly Kangaroo kidnapping Kitty Koala. K says K, just like C. K says K. What does K say? K. L, like Miss Lauren. L, lazy lions lounging in the local library reading Lassie Come Home. L says ooh. Stick your tongue behind your teeth. Ooh. L. What does L say? Ooh. M. Meticulous mice monitoring mysterious mathematical messages. M says mmm. Ears ready? Mmm. M says m. N. 9 nautical newts navigating near Norway. N says N, like no. N says N. And down here is O. 1 ostrich, old and outrageous ostrich, ordering an onion omelet. O says ah, like octopus in October. O says ah. And P. Proud peacocks preening perfect plumage. P says P. What does P say? P. Gosh, these are beautiful pictures. Q. Quivering quills queuing quietly for quills. Q says qua. Qua. Q says what? Qua. Over here is R. Richly robed rhinoceroses riding in rickety red rickshaws. R says R. 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 R says what? R. Letter S. 6 slithering snakes sliding silently southwards. S says S, like the snake. S says S. Over here is T. 2 tigers taking the 10:20 train to Timbuktu. T says T. T says what? T. Down here is U, our letter of the week. Unruly unicorns upending urns of ultramarine umbrellas. U says U says what? Oh, this is a tricky one. Miss Lauren loves reading about V, but it's a lot of words. V. Victor V. Vulture, the vaudeville ventriloquist, versatile virtuoso of vociferous verbosity, vexatiously vocalizing at the Valhalla Variety venue. V says V. V says what? V. Oh, almost there. W. Wicked warrior wasps, wildly waving warlike weapons. W. W says W. What does it say? W. X. Rex, fox, fixing 6 saxophones. X. You can make the sound x, x, to remember how to say x, x, X. What does X say? X. And Y. The SS yogurt with youthful yaks yodeling in a yellow yacht. Y says yeah, like yes. Y says what? Yeah. Last one. Z. Zany zebras zigzagging in zinc zeppelins. Z says Z. What does Z say? Z. Ooh, great job, Bears. You got through that whole thing. Try and practice this every other day so we keep those letters and those sounds sharp in our head. I'll be back soon. We'll do some math play and then some science. You know what we do on Wednesday? We play. Miss you till I see you, Bears. Bye.